Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to put your Mac in recovery mode. To begin, ensure your Mac is completely powered off. This is a crucial first step before attempting to access recovery options. Once it's off, you'll need to know if your Mac has an Intel processor or an Apple Silicon chip, as the method differs slightly for each. This easy method will get you into recovery quickly and efficiently. If you have an Intel-based Mac, the process is straightforward. Power on your Mac and immediately press and hold down the Command key and the R key simultaneously. Keep these two keys held down until you see the familiar Apple logo appear on your display. This indicates that your Mac is beginning the startup process into recovery mode. For Macs equipped with an Apple Silicon chip, the method is a bit different. Instead of a key combination, you will press and hold the power button. Continue holding this button down for about 10 seconds. You will see loading startup options appear on your screen, followed by a gear icon and the word options. Release the power button at this point. Once in recovery mode, you will see the Mac OS Utilities window. From here, you have several powerful options available to you. You can use Disk Utility to repair or erase your disk, reinstall the Mac OS operating system, or restore from a time machine backup. These tools are essential for troubleshooting and maintaining your Mac's health and performance.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.